everyone! Welcome back to my Chinese for Absolute Beginners. I'm Ting Ting. In the last video, we talked about pinyin, the system we use to write down Mandarin sounds using letters. Today, before we start learning new sounds, let me quickly show you what pinyin is made of. Here is a simple pinyin syllable. A complete pinyin syllable usually has three parts: initial, the beginning sound; final, the vowel part; tongue, the pitch pattern. Today we will focus on the initials. In today's lesson, we are going to learn your very first group of initials, and we will practice them using a very simple final, the vowel R. Let's get started. These four are almost the same as English. M, like the M in mom. M, M, M. N is like N in nose. N, N, N. L is like L in leaf. L, L, L. F like F in fun. F, F. Now we're going to combine with the final R. First, M, A, Ma. Repeat after me. Ma, ma. Very good. Next, N, A, na, na. Repeat after me. Na, na. Very good. Next one, L, A, la, la. Repeat after me. La, la. Good. Next one, F, A, fa, fa. Repeat after me. Fa. Great. These letters look like English, but Chinese version are softer. First one, B, 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 B. Next, P, 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 P. Imagine you are blowing a candle. P, P, D, 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 T, 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 with a little air. T, T. Now combine with R. First, B, A, ba, ba. Repeat after me. Ba, ba, ba. Very good. Next one. P, A, pa, pa. Repeat after me. Pa, pa. Very good. Next one. D, A, da, da. Repeat after me. Da, da. Very good. Next one. T, A, ta, ta. Repeat after me. Ta, ta. Very good. This one are also simple. First, G, G, like you say go but soft. G, G. Next one, K, K, not very strong. K, k. Next one, h, h. The h sound in Chinese is deeper than English. H, h, almost like a soft throat sound. H, h. Now combine with the r. G, a, ga, ga. Repeat after me. Ga, ga, ga. Very good. Next one. K, a, ka, ka. Repeat after me. Ka, ka. Very good. Next one. H, a, ha, ha. Repeat after me. Ha, ha. Great. That's all. Ma, na, la, fa, ba, pa, da, ta, ga, ka, ha. Again, a bit faster. Ma, na, la, fa, ba, pa, da, ta, ga, ka, ha. Great job! In next lesson, we will learn other initials, and we will learn vowels, tones, and you will finish all the pinyin lessons. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, feel free to like this video and subscribe for lesson 3. See you next time. Bye bye.